Hi everyone, my name is Megan. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing the welcome box from Amazon's baby registry. I am super excited about this video, and I've been waiting for this box for a while now. I didn't get one with Sophia's registry because I didn't know you could. There's only a few steps to apply to get one, and then you guys can get one too, and it's totally free, and it's filled with a lot of cool goodies. First, you have to have a baby registry, so you have to create one. You have to be a Prime member. You can even just do the 30-day free trial and then cancel it once you get your box if you want to, but you have to have Prime. Then add some products to your baby registry, and you have to have at least $10 worth of products purchased. So it doesn't even have to be baby related. You can, if you buy your prenatal vitamins on Amazon, just put those in there and order them as long as it's at least $10. And then I think the only other thing is that you have to complete the checklist on there as well. They have a checklist of all the baby items that you'll need. It's a really exhaustive list. And so just go through there and go into each category and just check off each thing even if you don't have it. And then I think that's all you have to do. And then it puts a credit towards your account so that you still have to, it was kind of confusing for me at first because you still have to buy the box and it looks like it costs like $35 or whatever, but then you use the credit that they put into your account. So that's how you get one of these welcome boxes. So let's get right into unboxing it. I'm super excited. So it comes in this kind of a box. Here's what the top looks like. It's got this little card, and then the paper unfolds like this. And you can see all the stuff in there. The first thing on top are some water wipes. This is a pack of 10 wipes. This will be nice to have because I cloth diaper, but sometimes I run out of my cloth wipes, and so it would be nice to have just a tiny little package of emergency wet wipes for when I forget to do my diaper laundry. And then here's a Simple Joys by Carter's 3 to 6 month bodysuit. So I think this is just a onesie. Yep. It's a cute onesie with all the animals, elephants and lions and turtles. This is adorable, and I love that it's gender neutral because we don't know what the sex of this new baby is, and so whether it's a boy or a girl, they can wear this. This even looks like it would fit Sophia right now. It looks really big. But I love that they add things like this, like outfits that you can actually need to use. Not everyone likes just free samples of random things, but I love like this sort of thing. This is what I was hoping to get in this welcome box. Here's a little Aquaphor sample. It's just really tiny. Here's a thank you card. Oh nice, it's just a blank thank you card with an envelope. That'll be nice. I'm always running out of thank you cards as well, so this will be nice to use for after my baby shower. It's only one, but... And then we have a pacifier. This is a 0 to 6 month size. The tip looks really small. It's a lot smaller than her other ones, but here's a pack of 3 Huggies diapers. They're size 1, so they go up to 14 pounds. Sophia could almost still wear these. She is really petite. And then we have a bottle, Dr. Brown's anti-colic bottle, clinically proven to reduce colic, spit out burping, and gas. I'm planning on breastfeeding, but for once they get old enough to drink water, when she first started drinking water, I used a bottle similar to this. So this might come in handy. I'll probably keep it and put it in my baby supplies. Here's a Honest Company pack of diapers and wipes. I've heard really good things about this company. This is, I think, some of the healthiest disposable diapers that are out there. So there's 2 diapers and 10 wipes in this pack, and it's a size 1, so it goes up to 14 pounds as well. So these little packs of diapers will be handy because I do like to use disposables every now and then. If my baby has a really bad rash and I want to use a waterproof diaper rash cream without having to worry about putting a liner over my cloth diaper, then I have used disposable diapers on Sophia a few times just for really bad rashes, and then I go back to my cloth diapers. And then here's something I am super excited about. I love this. This is a Muslin Swaddler blanket, amazing baby brand, and this looks so cute. And this is really exciting because I only have one other swaddle blanket that's gender neutral. It's a mustard yellow blanket. So if this next baby's a boy, I'm going to be using this a lot. So let's open this up. I want to see this. It's got little zebras on it. That's super cute. And really big. Nice. I love my Muslin Swaddler blankets, so This and the onesie I'm most excited about. And then we just have a little Cetaphil baby shampoo and body wash with organic calendula. I probably won't use this just because I make all of our own soaps. I've always made Sophia's body wash and all that, so I'm really particular with what soaps and stuff I put on her, so I probably won't use this, but that is also in there. And then that's it. That's all that's in that little box. So I'm really, really excited about some of this stuff. A lot of these things are definitely going to come in handy. And so I hope you enjoyed seeing what's in the Amazon welcome box, and you guys should definitely go get one for yourselves if you're expecting a new baby. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye!